In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the VidIQ Keyword Research Tool. This tool is a fantastic resource for content creators looking to optimize their videos for search engines and reach a wider audience. Whether you're new to VidIQ or just looking to refine your keyword strategy, this guide will help you navigate through the process efficiently and effectively. First, we'll start by heading over to the VidIQ website. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account to access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the VidIQ dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your channel's growth and performance. Now, let's focus on finding the right keywords for your content. On the VidIQ dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the Keywords section. This is where the magic happens. The Keyword tool allows you to discover terms that your audience is searching for, giving you insight into what topics are trending and how you might tap into those trends with your content. Once you're in the Keywords section, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you'll input any potential keywords you're considering for your video. Let's say you're creating content about digital marketing. You would type digital marketing into the search bar. As you hit enter, VidIQ will provide you with a list of related keywords. But that's not all. The tool also displays essential data like search volume and competition. These metrics are crucial in helping you decide which keywords are worth targeting. Aim for keywords with a high search volume but lower competition, often indicated by a green score. In addition to the primary keywords, VidIQ offers suggestions for related terms, matching terms, and even common questions that users are asking. These related keywords are particularly useful for identifying content gaps, areas where you can create unique content that fills the void. By leveraging these suggestions, you can tailor your content strategy to address specific audience needs and queries, increasing the likelihood of your videos being discovered. Remember, the goal is to find a balance between popular search terms and those that are less competitive. This strategy will maximize your content's visibility and engagement. As you explore these keywords, take notes and consider how each fits into your overall content plan. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the VidIQ Keyword Research Tool and boosting your video content's performance. Keep experimenting with different keywords and analyzing the results to refine your approach. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your keyword research.